44 and 50 squadrons. Later converted to maritime reconnaissance on 27 squadrons, and in 1982 he became a tanker. He was put on board disposal in 1984, but stayed for the Vulcan display flight, in which role he operated until being finally retired from the RAF in 1993, the year after the Vulcan display flight last display season. Now this will make a fantastic picture.